Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning into today's video. So today's video I'm going to be moisturizing my hair. So in case you don't really know how to moisturize your hair, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So guys, I'm going to be doing a voiceover for most of this video. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a video. I'm going to be using water, plain water this time around. I just have a little here. I don't think I'm going to be needing much of water because my hair is freshly washed, deep conditioned, and as you can see, still feels so moisturized and shiny. My hair is moisturized and shiny. So guys, like I said, I'm going to be doing most of the talking, and my hair is freshly washed, deep conditioned, and shining as if I have already moisturized my hair. But my hair is not moisturized yet. My hair is not dry either because I pre-pulled before I shampooed my hair. So as you can see, I'm skipping the oil part of this moisture routine. Usually I do the liquid, oil, and the cream, but today I'm going to be doing just the LC method, which is the liquid and the cream. So I made the cream myself, DIY, my DIY hair butter. I'm going to drop the link in the description box so you can check that out. And so guys, I'm going to be making chunky braids because I needed to do a style that was not going to take me that much time. Like guys, for me to make my hair sometimes takes a lot of time, so I decided to do these chunky braids because I'm still going to take them down after a week. So there was no need for me to do, style that is going to take me much time. So I had a lot to do, so I just needed to do something quick and fast. So guys, I'm moisturizing my hair. I've been trying out something that I'm going to be sharing with you guys very soon to keep my hair moisturized for long, like guys, for long, and also to keep my hair shining and strong. It's very important to keep the ends of your hair well moisturized because the ends of the hair is the oldest part. So you have to pay very much attention to the ends of your hair by moisturizing it very well. So guys, I like to finger detangle at this point because I've not detangled my hair. So I like to finger detangle before I braid my hair. So a lot of people say their hair is not growing simply because they are not retaining the length of their hair. Your hair is growing from your scalp, but you're not retaining that length because they are breaking off from the ends of your hair. Paying more attention to the ends of your hair is going to go a long way for you to retain length. So that is the secret, guys. Moisturize the ends of your hair and also seal in the moisture properly. Notice guys, I'm not really spraying my water on all sections. So wherever I feel it's a little bit dry, I'm going to spray my water. But if I feel that my hair is still damp, because I just washed my hair, guys, so not all my hair is dried. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so right now, and also give this video a thumbs up. Guys, I post 2 videos every week, so you want to turn on your notification bell so that each time I upload a video you'll be notified. So I've been trying something new, like knotting the ends of my hair, like forming a knot at the ends of my hair, as you can see, just to see if it's going to make any difference in protecting the ends of my hair. So like normally I would just braid my hair and put it in a bun, or in a Bantu knot, but I decided to give this method a try by just knotting the ends of my hair to see if it's going to hold moisture for long, and also to see if it's going to prevent, you know, split ends and knots. Like I've seen a lot of people say, you know, it helps. So I'm just trying that out to see how it goes, and I'm definitely going to share with you guys if it helped or not. So I'll let you guys know. So this is my style. This is what I'm taking for the rest of the week, and it's going to be easy for me to take down also, because guys, it's not only about, you know, protective styling. There's also what we call low manipulation hairstyle. So this is a low manipulation hairstyle because it's not taking me that much to install, and it's also going to be easier and faster for me to take down. So my hands are only on my hair for a short period of time, and I'm done. So I'm done, and this is how I'm going to let my hair to air dry. I kind of twisted and formed the knots on the ends of the hair, and let's see how this goes. This is my style for the week, and this is my shading, people to shampooing my hair, to deep condition, to styling. This is all I've got. So this is all I've got. So I like to keep track, like I always say, of my shedding or breakage. There's a certain amount I shed, and I know that that is not normal. So for a whole wash day, this is fairly normal. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please kindly like this video, comment down below, and also subscribe to this channel if you're yet to do so. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.